Here's the old shingle. See, here's the new. Looks like the exposure is a bit different. Exposure's off. Make sure that the lengths are similar.
This one doesn't matter. We don't have the ITAR yet. This is just to make sure this isn't leak.
Oh yeah. Well, yeah. Putting this on the document to prescribe repair from the insurance company. So, as a result of putting the new shingle on here, we do have creased shingles on all the shingles that have been subsequently affected. So, as we put more shingles up, more shingles will be damaged as a result.